Want to know how to change the password of your LinkedIn account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on this profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on Settings next to View Profile. Tap on Sign In and Security. Tap on Change Password. Type your current password that you have been using. Now type your new password that you want to keep. Retype your new password. When you're done, and if you want to require all devices to sign in with new password, you can tap on this sliding icon and turn it from gray to green. If you don't want to, you can keep it no, but if you want to, you can tap on it and change it to yes. After that, tap on save option below. Just by doing it, you can see that password has been changed. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.